Hi everyone, Michelle J. Raymond from Good Trading Co., LinkedIn Pages expert. And I've just noticed like a new feature that's popped up on one of the company pages that I manage that I wanted to share with you all. And it relates into the My Company page, which is like almost like an intranet. So only employees can access that. But it actually begs the question of, well, how do you know who's a true employee and who's not? So you will have heard people like Mark Williams or John Asperian talk about, often they'll get people that will, basically say that they're an employee of their companies, or sometimes people get the company name mixed up if you've got two similar names. And so often you can show people that are showing on your company page as an employee, but they're not. And it's a bit of a process to try and get rid of them. So LinkedIn's been working on this, and then I literally just noticed it by accident. So I thought I'd just jump on this quick video and let everybody know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you behind the scenes. So we're going to have a look at this one, and you need to be a page administrator to be able to see what I'm talking about. You will only have the My Company tab if you're showing that you've got 10 employees. So if you've got less than 10 employees, it's not accessible to companies like that as yet. Hopefully one day in the future, it'll be, maybe for more than one. But realistically, do you need it? No, it's probably just a distraction. So if I was to go in and have a look at this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I noticed. So if you have a look, I'm in the page admin view, as I said, and up on the right-hand side, you've got admin tools. And if we scroll down just under manage admins, what you can actually see is this button called employee verification. So if I tick on that, it brings up this screen that's going to ask me now, to add a domain. So obviously, if an employee shares their email address when they register with LinkedIn, they'll have a work email address. And so that will pick up as part of this verification. Where I see this coming unstuck is, imagine if someone uses like a Gmail account or, some kind of other off work email address to be able to log into LinkedIn. I'm not sure how this is going to play out. I'll have to do some more testing. So I'm going to hit the turn on verification. And then what it's asking me to do is actually obviously add in some more details. So I'm going to add in bluefire.com. And it's going to tell me obviously that it's a valid domain name. It's going to give me these other options. I can tick and untick those, and I'm just going to hit save. So as you can see, this is now going to stop everybody that doesn't have a @bluefire.com email address. It's going to stop them from accessing, which is just up here. So in the My Company. So that I think is a really great thing, because the whole point of the My Company tab and everything around it is to keep it as far as, like an intranet. It's all internal. We don't want other people to see it. So I think this is part of, as I said, a bigger security issue, so that you can make sure that the people that say they work for your company actually do, and they're just not tagging on the end. So if you have a company as more than 10 employees, then make sure you go in and update this, and let us know in the comments if you've seen anything else pop up on LinkedIn pages recently. Cheers.